The curse has reared its ugly head again and the abyss looms. So let's get out of here and pack and prep for a depression trip. Yay! So, to prep, we need to get a coat, pack, pick some feel-good activities to bring with me. We also need to buy some dog-friendly travel items because yes, Frankie is coming with, it is his first trip. And I also need to plan out the content that I will be filming because hey, hi, hello, this is totally a business trip for my besties over at the Australian tax office. No, seriously, this video is sponsored by our friends over at BAGSMART. But as I'm sure you can tell from the lighting, the state of the room, the state of my hair, we have not got much time. We need to get on it. Let's jump in. Friends, you win some, you lose some. The loss? Visa issues. It's about 50-50 right now on whether we get our permanent residency visa or whether the company it's tied to has a business change that would completely void our application and mean that we have to leave. The win? This video is sponsored by BAGSMART, providing both the travel bag and what I'm choosing to believe is the universe's sign for me to run away from my problems. Let's get back to packing. My skin is always the first thing to show my stress, so we're packing the whole gang. And I'm just going to take my normal makeup bag and put skincare in that. When it comes to outfits, it's going to be pretty miserable the whole time we're there, just like my mood. So heavy on the knitwear. I really only have to pack for one full day of outfits. So we're taking this jumper with tracksuit pants for the walk and jeans for if we want to go out to eat or anything. And we got to have pajamas. BAGSMART sent me some packing cubes as a bonus little gift. So I actually tried packing both with the cubes and without just to see what I preferred. I ended up going without so I could wedge my skincare bag in there securely, but the cubes definitely save space. Now that you know why the urge to pack up and run from reality has hit, it's time to pick my favourite feel-good activities to take with me. Honestly, the main feel-good activity is just being out in nature, going for some walks, seeing the puppy explore a bit. So I don't want to overpack because I know we're going to be spending a decent amount of time outside enjoying the area, but here are the hobbies I'm taking. A half-stitch kit, this is my go-to portable craft at the moment. I'm also bringing my journals and an on-the-go stationery kit just in case I get some time to catch up with my personal journaling, and I can pretty much always find time for reading. So I'm bringing a book and I'm also bringing my Kindle. Okay, let's pack my travel bag and go. I'm using the BAGSMART Blast 43-litre roller backpack for this trip, and it is the perfect size for bigger trips with its spacious 43-litre capacity while still being compact and convenient. For this trip, we're just driving, but this bag is also carry-on compliant and it fits in overhead luggage, so you can avoid checked luggage fees and waiting at baggage claim when you are flying, meaning Tasmania, as long as I'm allowed to stay in the country, I'm coming for you next. As you can see, this is really cleverly designed and not just on the inside. The outside pockets are designed to be easy access for your essentials with a side pocket for water and a front pocket for your laptop. First off, let's tick off some to-dos and go shopping. Actually, first off, let's do a hair mask because the dog loves to bite my hair. Nobody warned me about that side of pet ownership. Do you see what I mean? Yes, I'm literally hiding in my kitchen because he wouldn't leave me alone. We're basically just going to recreate his home setup but on the go. Frankie is crate trained, but his crate is like furniture, so we need to pick him up a travel one. And there's one other doggy related thing that we need, and I personally need a coffee. If you don't know this about dachshunds, fierce badger hunters that they are a bit pathetic when it comes to rain and the cold. And Frankie is no exception. Now, we're going to the Grampians. If you don't know where that is, it's like a mountains range in Victoria. So really what we want to do is just like get out into nature, go for some walks, and of course that means the entire time we're there it is raining. And again, pathetic little sausage dog over here does not like going out in the rain. So we're gonna get him a coat. We're just gonna get him a cheap Kmart one because one, he's a puppy so he'll outgrow it, and two, we don't even know if he'll like tolerate wearing one. And because Frankie is not the only person who gets cold, I also need a waterproof coat or jacket of some kind for this trip, yes, because again it's gonna be raining, but also for life in general because now I have a dog and apparently the common sense rules of it's raining therefore I will not be going outside no longer apply. But for that one, I'm staying in the city tomorrow and there's better shopping options there, so we'll do that then. I'm also very excited for this video to act as a little bit of a life update. A lot of things are happening at the moment, and all of them are bad. And typically, I mean, obviously I use my little like crow girly figurines. I try not to lean into super like parasocial stuff. However, as my content does at least loosely circle around my life, when shit is hitting the fan, I feel like it shows in the content. And so I would like to be able to explain like, hey girlies, if you think you're sensing a mental breakdown through the screen, you are. But yeah, we'll get there. Hey, Paul. Can I have your paw? Give me your paw. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, wait, I almost forgot to update you. So I did end up finding a jacket yesterday. Did it derail my entire plans or my entire day? Yes. But did I get one? Also yes. I'll show it to you. I'll also show it to me because there's no full length mirror in here, so I haven't been able to see how it actually looks. But it's warm, it's at least partly waterproof, and it will be good for the cabin. Oh, and I got it from the outlet centre, so it was like massively discounted. Okay, so I fear the prep and pack part of our prep and pack video is over, but don't worry, I would not tease a pyramid in the woods without showing you the pyramid in the woods. This Airbnb was so gorgeous. I know it sounds kind of dumb, but I did not expect it to be this nice from the photos. We were genuinely so blown away. It's technically a 3-bedroom, but because the main is a mezzanine level, it's probably more like family or big friend group rather than 3 couples. Cause yeah, that main bedroom has no privacy. Regardless though, it is just so cozy, so spacious. Clearly it's pet friendly, we have Frankie, but there's no additional fee to bring pets, by the way, which I think is really cool. And it's set on a big 50-acre piece of land that you and your dog can freely roam around. We're actually planning on coming back minus Frankie, just that we can get some real hikes in, and honestly, like, just to come back, because this place is so nice. The depression trip of it all, this was perfect. Neither my partner nor I can really afford to take full time off, especially at the moment, you know, lawyers are not cheap. So we headed up on the weekend, we worked Monday, and then we headed back late. Little puppy has little legs, so we didn't do anything too strenuous, but we still got some absolutely beautiful walks in, and seeing mountains always makes me feel better. So I guess if we have to leave Australia, I can always go back to Canada. Now, while we were traveling, one of the features of the BAGSMART Blast Roller backpack that came in really handy was the 3 usage modes, all of which I used while we were there. So first is obviously the rolling mode, and I'm lazy, that's my default, but there's also a hand carry mode and a backpack mode, which makes hauling this bag up the spiral staircase way easier. There is also a protective wheel cover when you're using it as a backpack. The rolling mode is also great, by the way, because the bag has really durable wheels, so it's smooth, stable rolling, even if you're not rolling over the most smooth and stable surfaces. And the telescopic handle makes it super easy to maneuver. So all in all, it's just a really convenient bag, especially if you're going over multiple terrains. So whether my next trip is to Tasmania or shipped back to the UK in disgrace, I will be traveling with BAGSMART. If you have any creative escapes coming up, try packing smarter with BAGSMART yourself, and you can use my code for 10% off your order. Full details will be in the description box below. Okay, my friends, thank you for bearing witness to this crash out. We are all caught up, back to our regularly scheduled programming as of next week. Thank you to my channel members as always, and thank you to you for being here. And thank you to BAGSMART for giving me a valid excuse to book a trip. Okay, bye! Alex Honnold has a lot to answer for, because why is my man talking about climbing this wall? Please.